Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Google Pub/Sub to Cloud Functions step by step clearly. Start by accessing your Google Cloud Console. Ensure that you have a project set up. Navigate to the Pub/Sub section from the left sidebar. Click on Create Topic to start a new Pub/Sub topic. Give your topic a meaningful name. Once created, go to the Subscriptions tab. Click on Create Subscription for the new topic. Choose a name for the subscription. Select Pull or Push based on your needs. For Cloud Functions, Push is recommended. Fill in the details required for the subscription. Now, navigate to the Cloud Functions section in the left sidebar. Click on Create Function to create a new Cloud Function. Choose an appropriate name for your function. Set the trigger to Cloud Pub/Sub and select the topic you created earlier. In the runtime settings, choose a language compatible with your code. Now, in the inline editor, write your function code to process incoming messages. Make sure to handle the message payload correctly. Configure environment variables if needed. Set the memory and timeout settings according to your requirements. Review the permissions and ensure that the Pub/Sub service account can invoke the function. Click on Deploy to deploy your Cloud Function. Once deployed, go back to the Pub/Sub topic. Publish a test message to the topic to verify the integration. Check the logs in the Cloud Functions section to see if the message was processed. Troubleshoot any issues by reviewing error messages in the logs. Congratulations, you have successfully connected Google Pub/Sub to Cloud Functions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.